Good morning, dear students. My name is Priyank Lugia, Assistant Professor at IITE Mechanical. And today my topic is types of casting. Types of casting and particular particular topic is investment casting, right? So I have shared the screen. Yes. So investment casting. What is the investment casting? I will study. We will study in a investment casting or loss backs casting, right? So, in investment casting is an industrial process based on and also called loss backs casting, one of the oldest known metal forming techniques. The process is generally used for small casting, but has been used to produce complete aircraft door frame, steel casting of up to 300 kg, and aluminum casting of up to 30 kg. It is generally more expensive per unit than the die casting or sand casting, but has a lower equipment cost. It can produce complicated shapes that would be difficult or impossible with die casting. Yet, like that process, it requires little surface finishing and only minor machining. So, this is introduction of investment casting. Uh, Complete process of investment casting is just shown by this diagram, right? So, this investment can total 8 steps to be uh, make produce a casting, right? So, process investment casting that is used in investment casting. First, produce a master pattern, molding making, produce the back pattern, assemble the back pattern, investment, debacks, burnout or and preheating, pouring and removal. So this is complete all the process to be used in investment casting. First, first one is to produce a master pattern. To produce a pattern, artist or mold maker create a original pattern from wax, clay, wood, plastic, steel, and another material. Next process is mold making. Mold, known as master die, is made of master pattern. The master pattern may be made from a lower melting point metal, steel, and wood. If the steel pattern was, then a lower melting point metal may be cast directly from the master pattern, and rubber mold can also be cast directly from the master pattern. So first step may also be skipped if the master die is machined directly into the steel, right? Next one is produce a wax pattern. Also a wax pattern material also include plastic or frozen mercury. Wax pattern may be produced in one or two way. In one process, the wax is poured into the mold and twist around until an even coating, usually about 3 mm thick, cover the inner surface of the mold. This is repeated until the desired thickness is reached. Another method is filling the entire mold with molten wax, and let it cool until a desired thickness has set on the surface of the mold. After this, the rest of the wax is poured out again. The mold is turned upside down and the wax layer is left to cool and harden. With this method, it is more difficult to control the overall thickness of the wax layer. So this is a third step. Next step is assemble the wax pattern. The wax pattern is then removed from the mold. Depending on the application, multiple wax pattern may be created so that they can all cast at one. In other applications, multiple different wax pattern may be created and then assembled into a one complex pattern. In the first case, the multiple pattern is attached to the wax screw with a result known as pattern cluster or tree. Uh, as many several hundred pattern may also be assembled into the tree. The wax pattern are attached screw or reach other by means of the heated metal tool. So next one is investment. The ceramic mold is known as investment. Is produced by the three repeating step: coating, stacking, and hardening. Right. So the first step, dipping the cluster into the slurry of a fine refractory material and then letting any excess drain out so the uniform surface is produced. This fine material is used first to give a smooth surface finish and reproduce fine detail. In a second step, the cluster is screw struck with the coarse ceramic particle by dipping it into the fluidized bed, placing it in a rainfall sander, or by applying by hand. Finally, the coating is allowed to harden. These steps are repeated until the investment is the required thickness, which is usually 5 to 15 mm. Dewax. The investment is then allowed to completely dry, which can take 16 to 48 hours. Drying can be enhanced by applying a vacuum or minimizing the environmental humidity. It is then turned upside down and placed in a furnace to melt out or vaporize the wax. Most cell failure occur at this point because the wax used have a thermal expansion coefficient that is much greater than the investment material surrounding it. So the wax is heated, it expands and includes great stress. Next, burnout and preheating. The mold is then subjected to the burnout, which heats the molten between the 870 degrees Celsius and 194 degrees Celsius to remove any moisture and residual wax and to center the mold. Sometimes this heating is also used as a preheat, but other times the mold is allowed to cool so that it can be tested. If any cracks are found, they can be repaired with ceramic slurry or special cement. The mold is preheat to allow the metal to stay liquid longer, to fill any detail, and to increase dimensional accuracy because the mold and casting pull together. Removal. Removal process, the cell is hammered, media blasted, vibrated, water jetted, and chemically dissolved to release the casting. The screw is cut off and recycled. The casting may then clean up to remove sign of the casting process, usually by the grinding. So this is the all complete 8 steps that can be used in an investment casting. Right? So first, eject the wax pattern, ejecting pattern. First of all, we have make a pattern, wax pattern, and then it assemble into a tree, and then the tree is uh, dipped in a slurry coating, and that is cooking process is going on, and the complete mold is formed of a wax, and then heated the wax pattern, and the wax is removed from the mold. Then after that, the molten metal is poured into the mold cavity, and then the casting is to be cool and solidify. After that, the check out the pattern, and finally we got the casting. Right? So this is a complete investment or loss of cast. Advantage: high dimensional tolerance to be achieved, excellent surface finish to be achieved. Machining can be reduced or completely eliminated. High melting point allowed to be can be cast almost any metal can be cast almost unlimited intricacy, and the limitation is costly pattern and mold. Labor costs are high. Limited size to be application. Aerospace and rocket component investment casting can be used. Aerospace and power generation industry to produce a turbine blade and this complex shape of or cooling system, fan and blade of gas turbine and surgical instrument. So this is a completely advantage, limitation, and application that can be used in casting. Thank you so much, and you have any doubt, then you can contact me. Thank you so much.